Noise everywhere. And the irony again of the whole thing, almost these characters who are making noise, 98% they own homes in the urban cities. So wanazuia wengine tu wafaidike. Wanapiga kelele na wako kwa nyumba yao. They are all urbanites. And they are saying others should not be. So I want to urge them now that we have 45 billion from the World Bank, what are they going to do? What to do? Sasa hata wakipinga ile yetu na hii, siba nyumba lazima ijengwe. Lazima. And I want to really thank you for this summit, and I want to encourage you, let us all join hands and support housing and slum upgrading. You know, the PS, Charles Hinga is my friend. Unataka nikutoe jasho kidogo. They put these men through a very odd was the other day he was sweating. Please sit down. You know, the PS is asking me that he needs my support in affordable housing. PS, affordable housing, slum upgrading is the baby of William Ruto and I. We need your support, not the other way around. How do you ask somebody to, how do you bisha hodi kwa nyumba yako? He's asking me to support what I believe in, what my boss believes in, and that's why I'm here. The president was here. I'm here because this program has commitment at the highest level of government, the presidency. And I want to urge all the players, the architects, the quantity surveyors, the engineers, the planners, the contractors, we join hands and dignify the people of Kenya, and things are going to work out. Again, another irony,